right. This webinar is going to go over manufacturer warranty and other types of warranty. How do you close out a warranty? Up on my screen, I have our test environment, and there is a chat feature there. If anybody wants to write a note or a question or anything, you guys can also use your phones there. But I have a warranty job already started. I have our Motility as the customer. And then I'm going to add a line, retail, because we're going to split this off so we can actually, we can close out the warranty one. So I have the warranty repair line. It's in an open status. I'm the service advisor, and we are going to change this to service so it shows up properly on my departmental report. Over here, I have my cause and correction, and then I picked my tech. So I have Barry Smith is going to be the tech on this, and we have 3 payable hours and 3 billable hours. And then down here, you have your warranty info. So you have your warranty company to choose from. If you don't see them in the warranty section there, that's where you're going to want to go to edit, modify, sources, and find that warranty company. If not, you can add them. And then you'll want to mark them off as a warranty company so they show up in the drop-down box here. Here's my price calc. That's set for WinGuard company, and then whether or not there's a deductible. So that'll actually push some of it to the warranty tab down here for payable, or it could be the customer pay. So if there's a $50 deductible, you want to put that in there, whatever kind of deductible it is. You have your flag times. I'm just going to enter them in for purposes here. It's already clocked in. That's fine. I'm not going to go through and unclock him in. That's just going to gibber this up here. So what I'll do is I'm actually going to put that it is completed. Because remember, all the jobs got to be completed or it'll prompt you when I'm trying to cache this out. So if I wanted to add a part on here, I can add my part. That'll just get added to the total of the warranty job. And then I'm going to I'll charge $50 to this. So if you notice, now I have my RO totals down here with customer pay of 0 for now, warranty of all of it. And then I'm just going to do a simple retail line. We'll do 3 more hours for retail at $300. There we go. I'm going to complete that. And for this purpose, I'm going to split it off. So I'm going to go up to Tools, Split Invoice. I'm going to keep the warranty repair as on this one, and then I'm going to push off the retail. It's going to create an A and a B ticket. So it'll let me know that the retail has been pushed over. If I wanted to close out the warranty, I could do that. If not, if I needed to switch it to a different type of warranty job, I could do that. You're just going to use the types here. If you don't have the types in there, that's where you'll let, you guys can let the training department know or support know how to add those, because they're going to need to be coded. Make sure that they're all, in there, they're all set up properly. You have your code, and then you have your description. For this one, I'm just going to use service warranty. I have my unit on there, so everything should be good. I have my customer pay is 0, warranty of $347. There's no internal on this one. It's all going to warranty. And then I pushed off that retail, so I'm good. I don't have to worry about that retail now. If you have a service tag number, you can add that in there. And then also customer PO. Every dealership is different. If you guys want to track that for reporting purposes, you can use a service tag number. If not, you don't have to. There's a company info setting that states, whether or not you guys are going to force that in there. You'll notice if it's turned on or off, and then you have your customer PO. And if I wanted to change my customer, I could do that, make sure your date time in, date time out, date time promise is all accurate. Again, that's for reporting purposes. So you want to make sure that, if you're going to pull a report based upon these dates up here, if you're not, using this with accuracy, those reports are going to show, otherwise. So make sure going forward, if you guys aren't using that, make sure you're using it date time in, date time out, date time promised, all that stuff is all updated. And then if I was done, I have my part relieved. There's one right there. If I was done with this one, I could just cash it out. It's got 0 because it's a warranty. So I'll just put down MasterCard, enter, and then you got to do one of the 3. You could do, best thing to do here is print or email. You could email the warranty receipt over to the warranty company, especially if you have them already, their email address on there. And there's your ticket there. The PDF is right here. And then that ticket gets closed out. Now it should be in the closed cashed out section, which is the very first one here. And if I needed to, I can go back and print it. And then there's your warranty one. And you guys can PDF or email that to the warranty company. It speeds up the process a little bit. If there's any pictures, you guys can attach the pictures in there. Take the pictures from the actual warranty repair line, and then attach those in the email. So again, want to make sure at the very beginning, if you don't have them added, go to Edit, Modify Sources, Warranty, and then if I needed to add a new one, it's going to automatically ask me if I'm looking for one that we already have. There's none. If I needed to, I could always just add a new one here, or you could do it in the CRM. If you do it in the CRM, you'll want to go to the AP Info tab, mark it off as a warranty company, come back to parts and service, and they should show up here. And then you can set up the pricing matrix for them, and then also the labor rates. That's very important. So again, you'll want to start your new repair order, get that warranty information, choose the customer. I'll walk through this. I just did apply internal. And then your first complaint, test warranty, and then use a drop down. I always just type in warranty, comes up with service warranty, but if you needed to do another one, there's service extended warranty. And then choose your tech, 928, I'm gonna do 5 hours, and then your warranty company. So if I needed to choose a different one, it'll pull the records for the labor rate and the pricing for parts based upon NAPA under their entity. So if I needed to do $50 here, flag times, I'm just gonna put completed. And then I'm gonna hit submitted, make sure that that's there. I do want, and that has that warranty number. So I did miss that in the first one. That one won't push over to accounting unless I hit that submitted button. So I have my claim number. That can be changed. That's fine. If you guys use a different set of numbers, go ahead and change that number in there. If not, proceed. And then I have my customer pay us $50 on this one. The warranty covers the rest, $482.13. And then if I needed to, I could hit cash out. This will take a second. There we go. Dual cash out types. That's fine. So I'm going to do, and then the customer portion. And then I could proceed with that. Then what you want to make sure, that's fine. I'm going to go back, refund the payment now. Nope. Just wanted to show you, make sure you're checking all the customer pay, warranty, and internal, because sometimes We've seen it in the past where the repair type actually says warranty, but it's not a warranty. So that's another tricky spot. You want to make sure you go to edit, modify the item types, and then that's where all these are built. And then you have your labor rate here, taxable labor, taxable parts, and then you have your the item, that's the custom code. So just because it says warranty doesn't mean that it's necessarily always warranty. So we try to set it up in the professional services department. You know, if you're a new customer or, you know, if you've done work with us before, we normally analyze that and we make sure that the custom codes match up with the description. But sometimes that does happen where, you know, the custom code may say warranty and the description is actually, it's different. So make sure that, you know, if you want it to be warranty, both of them say warranty and it's actually going to be hitting the warranty GL accounts. Any questions? Because that should just about do it for warranty. Let me see. I see, Becky, you have your hand raised. Are you able to speak into the microphone? Yes, I can show how to split the RO again. Okay. So I'll start with just a basic template. All right. So I'm gonna do two different repair types here, so we can do that. So warranty complaint. I'm gonna use warranty on this one. And then we'll pick a tech just to go in order. 3 hours, I will pick Winnebago. I'll leave the not started. That doesn't matter with flipping it, you know, to, you know, splitting it. I'm gonna pick a unit on here. So I have my warranty on the first one. Second one, we'll do retail. So I have retail on the second one. So the customer's gonna be paying this. We're gonna add some stuff on here so the customer, so it shows some money for the customer. So we have $300. I'll add a part on there. I'll do one. Guess that one's tracking serial, but that's fine. $50. So we have one part and we have some labor for the customer to be paying. Down here, customer pay $367.50. Warranty is $327. Nothing for internal. And then it has all your totals. Up here, there's tools, split invoice. And let me put it in the middle of the screen. Here is where you're going to choose the one that you're going to be splitting off. So if I wanted to split off the warranty, I could split off the warranty and just accept the retail. So we've seen that done in the past too. So if I know the warranty is not done, you know, I want to wait on that, I'm going to split off that one and I'm going to keep the retail on this ticket. So whatever one you check on that screen there, it's going to bump that one to the B ticket. So on this one, for instance, I have the retail sitting here and the warranty is now marked as 124230B. So if I wanted to cash this ticket out, the customer is ready to pay, you're going to let them know, hey, the warranty is going to be taken care of later on. I could do that, and here's my $367.50. And then I would proceed with go to flag times, make sure that it's, you know, completed. There are parts on there I have not relieved, good call. And now I can go ahead and complete it. And the customers, that must be relieved before, oh, I guess I keep going back. I'm in a loop. Let me pick a different part because this one's not letting me, I don't have another serial number. So let me find another part. And I apologize. Let me select one. That would actually help. Select, okay, there we go. So for that one, hopefully there's a serial number, and there's not. Okay, we're not going to worry about the part. This is our test data, so bear with me. So I have my 3 hours. So we're going to have $315. That's what the customer's paying. The warranty is not going to be affected by this. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to complete this. And then I can accept the customer pay here. And again, it's only going to have the portion that the customer is actually paying. So I'm going to do MasterCard for $315, hit enter, and I can email the receipt to the customer, or I can print it out, either or. And then that brings me to my actual email that it built. There we go. And another, I know a lot of our customers, use this feature, but if you're going to use the emailing feature, make sure, we can help set that up, but make sure that, the salespeople, whoever are entering in the customers, are getting the email addresses, because it'll be easier for your service department to go ahead and all they have to do is just build this, and it goes directly to an email address that's entered in for a customer. Then they can just PDF that to them. Unless they want, a printed one, then they can just print that right then. But if they don't have an email address in there, it's not going to pop up there. So now it's in my closed and cashed out, and then my B ticket is sitting there waiting for me. Any other questions? Hopefully I didn't go too fast on that one. This will also be put up on our website later on. It's either today or tomorrow. The video will actually be put on there too. And we're going to be working on making videos for each portion of the system. So we're going to go, from start to finish on each module. And we're going to work on videos for all those. And we're going to be putting them on our website. And then don't forget about our ideas board. If you guys have any ideas, going forward, something that you think would benefit, yourself and then other customers, go ahead and go to the ideas board. It's on the main page, and you guys can submit any of your ideas there. You guys good though? If you have any questions after this, and yep, I can show you that. So she wanted to know where we can mark a warranty company. Okay, CRM. And I'll just search. I'll just do an advanced search and look for any customer. So I'll say this one. So we're going to want to go to, and it always tricks me. There we go. It's AR info. And then it's right here in the middle. And while you're doing that, you might as well just go to the AP and mark it off as a supplier also. But the AR is going to show the warranty company box. So if I wanted them to be shown, as one of my warranty companies that I want to use in that drop-down box, that's where you're going to want to check that off, hit save, and then go back into parts and service. They should show there. And then I can build parts, pricing, repair. So if I wanted to do my labor rates, the override, so anytime that I use that warranty company, it'll automatically populate that, labor rate. I could do it there. And then also suppliers too. And then I would just hit save, and then they show up as a supplier in there. Usually they're both, I think, 99% of the time they're done. I'd mark them both off. It's not a, necessity, but I think it's a wise move to do. And then obviously the AP and AR, that'll track all the transactions, posting to and from each one of those accounts.